Hello friends, once again welcome to our new video. In today's video I'm going to tell you how you can recover your forgotten PIN pattern and password of your smartphone without visit the service center and without any computer. In today's video I am going to tell you some such a method of unlocking the locked mobile which is completely different. This unlock method is different because here even after your phone is locked, all the data in your smartphone had old data. Whatever application was already installed in your phone, you will see in it your phone. Whereas if you unlock your smartphone through service center or any computer software, then all the app and the already installed in your phone will be deleted. Although nowadays this method is also being used in service centers, so it is fully certified. With our method, you will get the convenience that you don't need to go any service center. You can recover your lost password sitting at home, as well as you won't have to pay any charges of the service center. Before reveal this method, there are some important things that you have to take care of it. The first thing is that your phone should not battery charge less than 30%. Otherwise, whatever data you have in your phone can be deleted. So before starting this method, you should fully battery charge your phone at least 30%, or else you can charge your phone at the time of using this method to unlock your phone. One of the most important thing I would like to tell you that this method is updated every month. So if your phone is not unlocked with this trick, then take help my upcoming video, and you may also take help my old videos. For this you have to subscribe to my channel, and if your phone is unlocked with the help of this video, then do like this. This gives us a lot of encouragement to make the next video to help you further. Now, first of all, whenever your mobile is locked, you should not worry at all and work with cool mind. Watch this video till end, only then you will be able to unlock your phone. By fully learning this method, mention in it, applying it to your locked smartphone. Now you have to use offline mode firstly. First of all, you have to convert your mobile on airplane mode. Look at the process. There is a flight mode, or you may say it airplane mode, then click on it. Now you can see here your phone is on now completely on airplane mode. That means your phone is completely without network. Then the next process is you have to go on emergency call button. You can see here at the bottom of this display there is a emergency SOS, or you may say that emergency call button. Now you have to open dialing pad. You can see here. Now you have to click some secret codes. So for the close the background application, so you have to click here star 853260, and lastly you have to click on hash, then call it, then press on OK. Continue it for the 3 times this process. Click on call, then OK, again call, then OK. Now you have to clear the call log, and now you have to activate your master unlocking mode, or you may say that, or it's now call in service center, it's engineer mode. So you have to click on star hash 899 and hash. You can see here this type of page. There are lots of options from top to bottom, but you have to click here on software version. Click on it. You can see on Android version there written Android version 13. Whatever you see on your display, Android version 12, or you may see here 10 or 9, then you have to click on Android version 13 time. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. You may here click 12 time or 10 time, whatever your phone will display on the Android version 10, then you will have to click here 10 times, or if written there 11, that you will have to click on 11 times. Now you have to go on back option. Then the second process is you have to click on manual test. You will see here a such type of display. Then you have to go on the last option where written others. Now you have to click on main board version 7 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Then wait for 3 seconds. Then after the next process is you will have to click here on read write important log test. Then click on it. Now you have to now you don't have to here click on OK button. You have to click on cancel button. You will have to repeat this process 3 times, 2 and 3. Now on the 4th time you will have to click on OK button. Now your forgotten password are now going to reconstructing. It means your phone may be unlocked at any time, but there are some also process you will have to follow here. So you may see here what is the process you have to follow. Go on the device debugging option. You can see here device debugging option. Now you have to click on sensor self test and calibration option. You can see here 3 types of option. It may be in your phone 2 option and 1 option. Now you can see here there are little operation not started. Then you have to click on first option, second option and third option. You can see here there is a test passed option. You will have to click it continuously until you see here test passed option. It may takes 1 time, 2 time or 15 times or 50 times. Then whenever you don't see the test passed, you will have to continue click on it. Now you can see here test passed option has been showed. Now your phone is completely unlocked. You may see here I'm going to press the home button. Now the next option is you have to click on home button. Now you can see I'm clicking here. Now you can see here your phone is completely unlocked and your all data are saved. Whatever you had downloaded before the phone unlocking, all are available in your phone. So if this video is helpful for you, then click on like and please subscribe my channel for the further this type of technical issues. So see you in next video. Thank you very much.